Okay, let's go.
What's up, viewers? Welcome back to the channel. Today I will run a quick review on my 2014 BMW 420 diesel convertible. I had this car for more than a year, and I think it's the right moment to run a review, an honest review. I brought this car about a year and few months ago, and it has an issue with the timing chain, as most of the uh, N47 engines are suffering. But that didn't scare me, so I replaced the timing chain, rerun all the oils, and I've done all the checks, and the car's running perfectly. I've just passed the MOT with some advisories as the rear shock absorbers. And if you been on my channel, you're gonna see how I've replaced the rear shock absorbers. The car is running smooth, and I didn't have too many issues with it. Now, these cars, in my opinion, they are like workhorse. I've been using my car to commute to work, and God's been a pleasure. Imagine coming out after about 9 hours of stressful work, and then you can put the roof down and uh, travel back home in style. And um, that that was the first one. The consumption, it's extremely low, for a car which is about 250 kilograms heavier than normal 4 series. And it's a pleasure to drive. The seats are comfortable. um, Everything works after even 11 years. Everything works as it's supposed to. um, of course, with few small hiccups, that, like, the shock absorbers, yeah, uh, which they are literally easy to change. But in rest, I didn't have any issues. I've changed the battery. I've run, um, just a few days ago, a complete maintenance on the roof. I've changed few top covers, and I've literally oiled all the joints, uh, retested to see if they're working correctly, and they're working as a bless. After 11 years, um, the car is still working as brand new. Um, yes, I'm enjoying it. Um, it's smooth. I've tried to find one. Um, my goal was to have a convertible for at least 3 person. So, being a family of 3, I try to have something that all of us can go with uh, with a car, not like just 2 seats, um, and something diesel for commuting, being more affordable than a petrol. And with my commute, which is over 50 miles one way every day, I need I needed a diesel, not a petrol car. The car behaved perfectly. Again, it had few small hiccups um, due to poor maintenance from the previous owner. But if you treat the car with love and care, it'll be by your side throughout. Um, Expensive maintenance, apart from the timing chain, I've replaced the battery and the turbo. Turbo was gone due to, again, poor maintenance from previous owners. It wasn't that expensive. I consider this car medium on costs. You can go lower if you want, but so you can buy like cheap parts. But I suggest buy something decent, uh, uh, as decent as you pay for it, as better the car will behave, and it'll keep you safe and sound longer. If you buy, an example, a set of shock absorbers, which can be really cheap, I can bet in about few months you need to replace them again. So go and buy something much more expensive but more durable, instead of buying cheap, crappy items, and they'll not last long. Um, yeah, so the car has been brilliant to me. Um, I'm still enjoying it. It drives smooth, no clunks, no nothing. The engine is smooth. Um, the gear box smooth. Um, it's proper, proper. Now the the costs involved in all this, um, it's much lower than, for example, my my Audi A6. In rest, the car is amazing. At some point, I'll be forced to sell it due to having too many cars on the drive. But if you want to have a car that you can literally go on holidays, I've been on holiday with this car. We've traveled up to Holland, and we've enjoyed our holiday with the roof down, which is amazing. I think this is the best thing with this car. You can transform a normal car uh, from being a normal car, sorry, into an amazing car, convertible. Uh, the engine is punchy. You can drive smooth with no stress. It's got cruise control, and suddenly, if you want, you can go down and press. It'll change in sport, and the car starts behaving like a proper uh, sports car. But it's not made for sport. It's a car to enjoy. It's a car to rely that you can rely on. It can take you up and down the motorway with no fuss. It can go. It can take you down to the beach in style. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to drive it. Um, the only thing that I think it's a bit not bad, a negative side of it. The trunk, incredibly small if you have the roof down. So you're not going to be able to have too much gear in your trunk. So if you want to use it, then go with a car with the roof up throughout your journey, and then when you reach your destination, uh, take your luggage out, put the roof down, and enjoy the good weather. So my honest review on this car: the car is brilliant, cheap to run. You can use it as a commute car easily. If I'll be asked if I'll buy another one again, anytime. Uh, it's a pleasure to have it. It looks amazing, uh, and yeah, it's a really nice car. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry for my stutter. I'm still trying to get up and running, and please subscribe. That'll push me to make more videos, more fun than this one. And give me a like, give me a comment if it's something that I can improve to myself, and you think you might be able to help me with. Just drop me a comment, and I'll promise you I'll come back to you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, let's go.